What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to make a video on detailing the door panels on this S2000. I'm going to be using two different types of chemicals or cleaners. One's going to be Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner and the other is going to be Meguiar's interior cleaner. I just want to test to see which product is right for the interior to get off most of these dirt and grime that's stuck onto the leather and the plastics of the door panel. I know one's going to be a little bit stronger than the other, but let's see what's right for the car, and hopefully we can make this door panel look a lot better than what it looks like now. Alright guys, to test this out, I'm going to go ahead and start taping up and masking off certain parts of the door panel. I definitely want to do it right in half so we can test both of the products. So I'm going to use the Meguiar's interior cleaner first. It's less aggressive, I would say, but let's see. Just spray some into the brush, and I'm going to do this side. Clean microfiber. Just gonna wipe it clean, dry it up. Microfiber still looks really clean, so I'm gonna flip it around. Gonna dab it off first. I'm gonna use the all-purpose cleaner right here. Dab that clean. Looking at the towel, you can see it picked up way more dirt and grime and oils off the door panel. It feels nice and smooth. Alright guys, right off the bat you can see where that tape first rested on, which is right here. It's pretty predominant. You can see that line. This is before and these are after. As you can see, all-purpose cleaner did a better job on this part than it did with the interior cleaner on this part. Now interior cleaner, you can probably achieve the same results, but you have to do this a few times and maybe use a more abrasive technique or brush. I think the fact that the all-purpose cleaner has a little bit stronger chemicals in it to lift up all of that debris and dirt is just gonna cut the time in half for me. I could probably go over this a little more. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this whole entire thing with the all-purpose cleaner from Meguiar's, and hopefully we can get this whole entire door panel looking really mint. To protect this and make it way nicer and keep it hydrated, I'm gonna go ahead and put some Meguiar's rich leather conditioner. It's pretty much like a gel. Don't want to put too much of it, but I definitely want to do my best to keep this leather looking rich and smooth. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, the door panel looks a lot better than what it was. It might have not been the most drastic difference, but I definitely see it looking brighter and vibrant as if it were factory and brand new. So definitely try and use the lightest cleaning product before you start upgrading to something a little stronger. You don't want to destroy the leather interior or the plastic trims and things like that, because these are very delicate parts on the car. I stick with the Meguiar's because I have it. You can use other stuff from Griot's, you can use Adam's Polish, you can use Chemical Guys. Whatever you want to choose is up to your budget and preference. This seems to work pretty well. The door panel is looking really nice. Meguiar products, all of these that I've used today, can be purchased anywhere pretty much. So if you really enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have other ideas and techniques that you've used and personally experienced from detailing your car or your interior, please leave a comment below. And if you're a new time viewer and want to see more projects on this S2000, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.